Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to delete LinkedIn resume using your smartphone device. No matter iOS, Android, you can very easily delete and update or modify your resume. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. This is my LinkedIn application. Enter your setting, properly profile, and this is my profile. And here top of the screen, setting or gear options are available. Inside the gear option, several options are available here. You just simply check it out, data and privacy. Click here, and inside the data and privacy, how to LinkedIn use data, all informations are available. So focus on job seeking preferences. So first application, job application setting, you just simply click, and inside, so look at this here, its resume is available. So just simply press the three dots and delete your resume. Here several resumes available, so you can very easily select and delete a number of resume and then upload your updated resume. As an uploaded point of view, three options you have: your mobile phone, iCloud, or Google Drive. So which location you are already upload the resume, you decided. So as a my point of view, my resume is available on my phone only. So click here and look at this here, my resume is available. It's very simple process to delete multiple resume using your mobile phone, no matter which mobile you are using. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.